Hello, in this video I will solve this proportion question. Okay, so and the question says, if the volume of a cube is tripled, by what percentage will the length of each of its sides increase? Okay, so you know that our solution here. Okay, now let's have a rough sketch of this cube. I think that will help us. Okay, do it this way. Right, now this is the cube. Okay, this is the cube. Right, now you know that all the sides of a cube are equal, so this side, and this side, they are all equal. Right, now we also know that the volume V is given as S times S times S, and which is V is equals to S cube. Right, now if the volume is tripled, let's say 3 times V, right, 3 times V. Now each of these sides will also increase by some certain percentage, and now let's say that certain percentage is some set of value. Let's say P. Okay, let's say this is P, let's say this is P. You know, when you are increasing something by a percentage, you always multiply, right? You always multiply. For instance, if you are increasing S by say 20%, okay, you do S times 1.2, right? Then when you are decreasing by 20%, you do S times 0.8, right? Just to remind you of this one. Now that increment is being represented using P. Okay, so that P could be 10%, it could be 20%, like that. So since we have increased the volume by multiplied by 3 or triple the volume, then the measurement for each of the sides would be SP. Instead of putting that dot, SP times SP times SP, right? So 3V is equal to, let's collect like terms, S cube multiplied by P cube. Okay, now this is the sum of, or this is all the increments put together. You know that V is equal to S cube, right? Also, this is the increment. So this gives us P cube is equal to 3, right? Then we have, when we take the cube root of both sides, this gives us P is equal to cube root of 3. So using calculator, that will give us 1.44, sorry. And when something increases by 1.44, it means that the increment is 44%. Okay, increment is 44%, right? So each of the lengths must have increased by 44%. So thank you for watching this video to this moment. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more interesting ones like this. Bye.